Hi, Hughes Springs, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. This is Miss Ferris. I'm at home here with Abby, and we're going to give you a walkthrough on how to sign in to your IXL learning account, right, Abby? You want to show them how to use it? So once you get signed in, then you want to go to the top where it says Learning, and then you'll go down the side and pick your grade level. So if you're a 6th grader and you click on the See Skills, then it's going to take you to a page of links with different lessons. And I've been hearing an awful lot on the news about ratios, rates, and percents. It's all over the news. So if you scroll down, you will see letter R there, ratios and rates. Lots of lessons and information about ratios and rates. If you're in a lesson and it's new to you and you're struggling to begin with, at the very beginning of the lesson, there's a Learn with an Example button. Click on that Learn with an Example. If you see a speaker, it will read the problem.
Complete the ratio table.
It will walk you through. Then you go back to your practice. And complete your lesson. Be sure to do your best. This is keeping up with the number of questions that you answer, the length of time you're on the computer and in that lesson, and also it's giving you a SMART score. So be sure to do your best. If you're in the 7th grade, you have the exact same option. You're going to be sure that you go down to your 7th grade link. 7th graders, you've also done an awful lot this year with ratios, rates, and percents. There you go, ratios, rates, proportions, whoops. Get out of that. Yeah, all of that. J, K, just kidding. No, not really. L, laughing. There's your percents. Lots for 7th graders to go through. Some of this is not Texas specific, but it's all really good information. If you want to get Texas specific, there's a link at the top that says Texas Standards. So when you click on that, this computer. The page looks just a little different, but it's the same information. Be sure you're in the correct grade. So if I'm a 7th grader and I want to find ratios and proportions, I can scroll down. There we go, number 4, proportionality. And there you can see rate of change, constant rate of change. You have a unit rate. You'll have proportionality, comparing ratios. So right there you'll see the number 4 in black, and then the letters break down. The lessons, some of them are similar, some of them are different, but there's lots and lots of information there. If you're in the 8th grade, 8th graders, where are we? 8th grade, right here. 8th grade have been doing linear equations. You're solving all kinds of linear equations, finding slope, finding the slope between 2 points, find a missing coordinate using slope. So your lesson options are titled linear equation, 2-dimensional figures, coordinate plane. It has something I know we all struggle with the beginning of the year where we have to classify numbers. So if there's something there that you struggle with, click on it, try it, spend some time, look at the examples. If you're in my class, again, I have suggestions for you to work on, and do your best. Hope to see you all soon.